Welcome back, eSIM Studios. We have another case review for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Just recently launched device, and Ringke was kind enough to send us their full lineup for a honest and fair review. Now, this is the Ringke Fusion X. It is the Camo Black variant. Now, normally, I don't just open it up here and throw it on. I like to, as I've mentioned before in some other case reviews, I like to put them on and use them, right? So I can give you an honest review of what I like, what I don't like. This has been I have in the past purchased this case for many different devices. It's a classic design, very stylish looking, and this is what you get inside of the package, right? So you get a little instruction here. It's basically how to snap it on, which looks easy enough, right? It's a case. And then you have the coupon codes, a list of coupon codes, and I'll open that up and you can simply pause the video, right? And then you can note these down. This will work on Amazon, and you can simply put in your own coupon code here for a number of different accessories, 20% off. They have accessories for, let's hold this up here so you can pause it, and you can screenshot it, do whatever you need to do, but Ringke is giving you 20% off. Now, I have a special promo code for this case. If you go down into the description box, Ringke customized a promo code just for eSIM Studios and for you, the viewer, to use, right? So here is this set of promo codes for these specific items. And then on the back, we got some more. Man, look at that. You got stuff for the Galaxy Buds. You have stuff for iPads. You got stuff for AirPods. You have stuff, coupon codes for Apple Watches and camera protection for your iPhone and or Galaxy, and then you have cable ties and or holders. So very, very cool. Now, the instructions is pretty simple, right? It's a case. You put it on your phone, but this one has a protective layer, as you can tell, inside right here. So it is a clear case, and it allows you to simply see through it. So the color of your device comes through, and they throw in some camo designs as well. Much needed protection. It is a slimmer feeling case. It's kind of deceptive, right? Because it is a not necessarily a thin case, because I've seen some paper thin cases. This is not that. However, it's a protection first case, but it does allow you to grip it very well. It does not feel bulky, but look at this. They really secure and put some added material there on all four corners. So let's go ahead and peel the inside off, and we will take a look at it. Now, look at this. It actually has two layers. Here's one layer of film that comes off. And then, as you can tell, there is a second layer of protection here. Just like that. Wow, look at this thing. Crystal clear. Now, let's take a closer look, right? So you have the branding. Let's see, let me move this stuff so we can clearly see. Sometimes the camera will focus in on the background stuff. Can I get it in just the right lighting? I hope so. If not, there you go. It kind of blends in. You got the Ringke Fusion X. Now it gives you stylish inserts here. A little support for the look at this. The corners, all four corners, get added material just to give you extra drop protection. right there. Now, does this have air pockets? Yes, it does. A ginormous air pocket. Basically like an airbag for a car, right? Now, this doesn't activate and inflate an airbag, but it has a nice big one in there. Some other cases you'll see just have one or two in there, air pockets. This one's got a nice, there you go, got a nice big one you can see right inside of there on all four corners. They also put lanyard on the left side, lanyard holes on the right side. So if you're holding it with your left hand, if you're left-handed, you can wrap a lanyard around here, or if you're right-handed, it give you two slots right there to put a little lanyard right here as you hold it. Construction, I believe, is a PC back with a flexible TPU outer ring edge border around the device, as you can tell. Pretty flexible here, which does help with shock absorption. And then you have a harder, clear polycarbonate back. Now, it is a little flexible, right? But there is some stiffness to it, just to make sure the structure of the phone is nice and solid if it ever leaves your hands. Unfortunately, right? Knock on wood. And let's see, it is raised a bit on the back. Barely. It's raised here on the top where the cameras are, just to make sure you have extra camera protection when you lay the device on its back, right? Now, like the other Ringke cases, look at this. Not only do they add extra material around all four corners, they to protrude a little bit to help it for drop protection, but look, it also added material up here to lift, to make sure there's enough distance between the screen of your phone and the top of the case. So if you lay it face down, not going to scratch. Now let's throw the device in there and see what it looks like. But first, you have a cutout, nice big cutout for the USB Type-C cable, and you have a cutout for the speaker at the bottom, and then two cutouts up top for your microphones. You also have cutouts for the power button, as you can see there, volume down, volume up. And check this, as we mentioned with the detail, this is one of the things that sets apart Ringke from other case manufacturers are the little things, the little details, right? So check this out. Your power button is grooved. You see that? See how it's got grooves in there? And then look at your volume buttons. Your volume down, smooth. Volume up has 3 bumps on there. So if you're like me, you have your phone in your pocket, somebody walks up on you, asks you a question, you're like, huh, what? And you got your earbuds in. You don't have to pull your phone out, look at your phone while they're trying to talk to you. You know, it's kind of rude. You want to get their, keep their attention right away. So you can just put your hand in your pocket and make, oh yeah, okay, all right, volume's there, boom, 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 turn it down real quick without even having to pull your phone out. And then as I mentioned, look at these grips, right? Here. Really, really nice. And then you have a nice ribbed flat edge right there. So when you grip it, it just fits in your hand perfectly. There's nothing worse than throwing a case on your phone and it like expands it to where it's hard to use, right? Let's bring the device back here and go ahead and slap it in and see what it looks like. Make sure all 4 corners are on properly. Wow, look at that. Now this is the violet S24 Plus. It looks really cool with this camo. Basically, the added little camo aesthetics, the camo look makes it sets it apart from all other cases, all other S24 Pluses. Just adds that extra nice, just cool look, custom look, right? Because it's not too much, right? It's subtle. It's a subtle change, a subtle difference in the way that your device looks. Very nice and sleek. Let's see the cameras. Oh yeah, tons of camera protection. You see how the cameras are recessed Inside here, you have a nice big lip there for your cameras. So it's definitely not going to scratch if you lay this down on any surface. And look at that nice big cutout. That'll probably fit most any and all USB Type-C cables. Precise cutout for your speaker there. Let's check out those mics. Oh yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Absolutely beautiful. Should provide plenty of drop protection without being too bulky. And again, the little things that the little details that they do here gives you added protection without the bulk, right? And then look, you can tell the outside of the border. This should not, I'm still waiting on our screen protectors. Should be in here the next day. Should not at all whatsoever, whoops, lift up any screen protector, right? Because look, let's see how far it just barely comes up over the display. Let's see if I can get a, okay, so here's the display. As you can tell, the border of the phone. Watch, when I snap this on, should go right on, just right over the border, watch. Just like that. So you got plenty of room to put a screen protector on there. No issues whatsoever. Really, really nice looking case. After using this for a few days, I really don't have any complaints. None whatsoever. It feels comfortable in the hand, comfortable to use, stylish to use. And this is nice because like some of their other models of cases for this phone, it's sort of like a hybrid, right? It's thin enough to use in the house, because what I hate is using a big bulky case inside the house, right? I want something nice, sleek, nothing too much, right? But when I leave the house, I want something that's going to protect my phone, right? If I drop it. Well, this, you get the best of both worlds. It's sleek and slim enough, thin enough to use indoors and not be troublesome for you. However, you can just leave the house without changing cases, and you get the added drop protection and the stylish look. So this is a win-win in my book. I'll link a description in the description box for you to purchase this if you like it. And we also have a discount code for you as well. Get up to 20% off of this real stylish looking case. Let's check the clickies here. Let's see if I can get close up to the microphone. Nice subtle clicks, nothing crazy. And they're very easy to push in. Very, very easy to push in. There's nothing more that I hate when I put a case on, and that's the advantage of having the little slits cut out right here. See that? Cut. See those? Their top and the bottom are cut where the power, volume down and volume up are. They do that so it makes it easy to push in, because there's some case companies that don't do that. And my God, you really got to put pressure and push it in to just turn your freaking screen on, and it's so annoying. So you get the fine details with this Ringke case and style. You get the best of all worlds, right? So Ringke, do appreciate it. I really don't have, honestly, I'm trying to think of something that I don't like. I've been using it for a few days, and I really don't have any complaints, because I put this in my mount on my car. Because sometimes, not with this case, sometimes with other cases, where the design on the sides, right, depending on what kind of car mount you have and what case you have on, sometimes when you clamp it in, it'll push down on the volume button, or just little weird things. And this actually fit perfectly in my car mount, and honestly don't have anything. Look, check this out. Yeah, it looks cool. Very, very nice. Cool. Alrighty. Well, if you like this, check out our description box. You can find a link to purchase it. And don't forget the promo code down below, up to 20% off. So enjoy. Thank you very much for spending a few minutes with us. I do appreciate it. And as always, we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.